Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Kumar. Today I'm going to show you how to make a poster on the prevention of coronavirus. Fine. At first I have made the drawing using B series pencil, and after that now I'm applying pastel color today. Fine. At first right now I am using light green color, and after that I am using a deep green color. I'm trying to blending the both colors. Now on the hand I'm using the skin color. Fine. Now I'm trying to focus on the coronavirus. I'm trying to make the details little contrast. I'm increasing. As the space is very tiny, very narrow, so that's why I'm using the pencil, very dark pencil. You can use 10B or 8B pencil. On the tear I have used light blue color. Now on water I am using light blue color, but I'm not trying to apply the color everywhere. At few areas I have left the white. Now on the background I'm using red color. This is vermilion red. The flat color I have used. Now little golden yellow I am using on the right hand side, and trying to blend the red and yellow color together. Now again I am using the golden yellow. At the edges I am using little orange color, and I'll try to blend them together so that there will be a gradient. Here I am using the vermilion red color. Don't try to press the color too much. Just apply the red color very lightly. After that, take white color and mix and blend with red color. Now let me color on the pipe and tap. Here I am using the dark brown color. At few areas I am leaving the space. I am leaving the white. Now at the white areas I am using the light brown color, and few areas as it is I will keep white color of my paper. At the highlight area I have left white. And at the darkest area I am using little dark blue and black color. You may avoid blue color and use directly black color also, because I am trying to focus a little bit on this area. Here again on the virus I am using light green color. Don't press too much on the color. At the lower areas I am using little deep green color. Here little light yellow color I have used. And again, in order to make the eyes I am using the dark pencil. Through this poster I'm trying to give the message to everyone. I'm trying to appeal to all the viewers to wash their hand on regular basis. Time to time you must wash your hand with good hand wash for minimum 20 seconds. I'm going to use little fabric color which is known as fabric krill also. And by washing our hands time to time we can prevent the coronavirus. We can prevent this fatal disease. Wash hand. And stay safe. So viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and share the video with everyone to raise the awareness and to prevent and stop the COVID-19 coronavirus. And if you are new in our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel.